Hey guys, it's Ryan here, and today I'm going to show you this effect. It's called a teleportation effect. It's kind of that basic effect. This is just a basic version of it. I will be posting an advanced version of it with objects, but I'll tell you what that is in the next tutorial. Alright, so now I have this footage of me just walking like so. This is what I've done right there. We're not going to do all of it, we're just going to do the first two, so you get an idea. And, yeah, you need BGR, that means background recovery, which means like there's just the background, no people or no dogs or anything like that. So you can have like, if you do a shape mask and the background disappears except for the object, you'll have background recovery and you'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, so what we're going to do is first of all, we're going to name our main clip move. You'll find out why in a moment. And what you are going to do is you're going to guess when he teleports, which for me, I did very simply. It's going to be right here. So you're going to click Alt in bracket. Alt in bracket. Alright, so now we have him walking. And we have just the clip of that. And now what you're going to do is you're going to go up to Composition, Save Frame As, Photoshop Layer, and what this is doing is making a freeze frame, which I have a tutorial on how to do freeze frames, so I'm going to do it like so. So you can name this telly.pr.1. That's just so you can find it, and then we're going to say random movies, and then you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Movies, and you're going to find Telly, Alright, so you're just going to add that in, click OK, then drag that on top, go Alt, begin bracket right here, actually bracket, okay, and that's how you do that little frozen frame, and now we're going to do a shape mask, and I'll probably put that off somewhere at the top. I'm just going to do a very rough shape mask, so I can Alright, so now, Alright, so now we have our shape mask. And it should look like this. This is very rough. You have to do yours more specific if you want this effect to really work. Now, this is what I was talking about earlier, why you need BGR or background time, or whatever you want to call it. So you gotta duplicate this layer, click enter and call this one BGR for background recovery, drop it below move, scale it off all the way, drag it all the way through, find where your character is not on anymore, and then do Alt, begin bracket. And now you have some empty space with nothing happening. So you're going to take that and drag it parallel to your freeze frame. Right there. Perfect. Now what you are going to do is we are going to edit this freeze frame of me. So you want to zoom up on it, see if you missed any specifics. You didn't. Well, I did, but I mean, anyway. So you're going to duplicate this layer, and you are going to click enter, and you are going to name it Teleperson1.color. And the reason why we call it color is because we're adding this kind of cool generating color to it. Okay, so you're going to go to Effects, Generate, Fill. And it comes red automatically. So we're going to kind of change it for this effect to this kind of bluish color, which is perfect for right there. And you're going to click F for this and go to 5. And if I'm going too fast, you can just repeat the video so you can find out what you're missing. Because I had to kind of go fast because I ran out of time last time. Okay, so you're going to close T for occupancy, change it down to 80. Change this occupancy. Keep this one actually at 100 for now. Alright, and then you're going to go to here, change this to 0, then go 4 frames exactly, no more than 4 frames. then go to 100, and now we got this kind of cool effect. And then you're gonna change this down to 75. And now what we basically did is we did like this cool fade-in effect for where our guy teleports. And right here, at this keyframe, you'll want to add the second teleporting person. And you'll find out what that is in a moment. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then you're gonna give it 4 frames. Now you're gonna give it 3 frames. Alt in bracket for both of these. And you're gonna go to the transparency and take it down to 0. Alright, so basically what we just did is we did this kind of quick teleporting thing. And now we're gonna get the second person where he teleports here to there. And you're just gonna click Command D for move. Just keep it at that name because it's only temporary or whatever it's pronounced. So right here where we teleport second, you can do Alt begin bracket. Then you're gonna go up to here, save frame as Photoshop player, and name it .2/2. Well, you don't put /2. That's just for me, so I don't have to do a couple of stuff. Sorry. Okay, so you're gonna have to do save frame as. I'm just gonna save it as this. Okay, so you're gonna find that. Yeah, it's up here. And then you're gonna go to project. Oh dang. Okay, hold on. All panel. Alright, sorry about that. So we're gonna go here, drag it here, click OK. And then you're gonna drag that right here, and you can delete moves too. And the reason why we did that is so we could get just the frozen frame, not the video itself. And now you're going to go to our 100 keyframe right here, and you're going to go click Alt, begin bracket, and you are just going to keep, and you're going to call this one Teleportation.2. Well, you don't need to, but I do, but I'm not going to. Now I'm going to do another rough shape mask, so I'm going to cut this out so you don't have to watch it all, and alright. Alright, so that's totally rough and terrible. Now, alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to have it, instead of 7 frames, you're going to have it at, at 4 frames. No, 5. Okay, 5. So now what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this one again, and you're going to go to F5 feathering, go to T, change it to 80. Go to T, change it to 75, keyframe it out, go to your other effect thing where your fill is, you're going to Command C, and then you're going to Command V, and then you're going to change this all the way to 100, and then what we're going to do is we're going to drag it to this time right here, and then you are going to drag it down to 0. So this is what we have so far. This is really rough shape mask, but there you go. That's all you would need to do, and that is basically the effect. That's all we're trying to get there. So that's a better shape mask than this one, but you want to kind of do ones like, like this, kind of like that shape mask. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I will be posting more tutorials on how to do other effects. So thank you for watching, and